Hi, I'm with Julia. Did you happen to see the art dogs?
Of course.
And what did you think?
I thought they were wonderful, and I was surprised at how much I loved them.
Any favorites?
Yes. Mark Twain, which is right over here in the window of the bookstore.
I was working on prepping these pieces at the same time I was working on Mark Twain for Art Dogs of Kent.
The Kent Center school dog that the children did. Labarachi.
Hi, I'm Patty. This is Buddy. This is Missy. I think Labarachi is really great, but they're all just wonderful.
This is Blackie.
You said you're a sculptor?
I'm a sculptor in clay and bronze. And the original dog seemed a little skinny, so we ate a lot in the winter. It was actually kind of a hard winter, and we fattened up a little.
Who did most of the work on the dog?
Well, that was me, of course.
No.
I did everything. She,
Team effort?
Yeah, she supervised.
We painted Van Gogh. I did everything at home.
Any comments about the dog?
It's one good-looking pooch, I have to say.
So check the website, artdogsofkent.com for details.
It's been 4 years.
They are all my favorites. They're all my little puppies, and they're all best in show to me. I have no favorites. They're all wonderful.
The dragon one really stands out just because of all the technology involved. It just really stands out, but it's hard to pick a favorite.
Look at the pretty camera. He's really great.
Hi, Doug.
So how are the advanced orders for the book so far?
It's really rather extraordinary.
Was the turnout tonight more than expected?
I don't know, it looks great to me.
Before I buy a raffle ticket, what's the book value of this car?
The library paid $20,000 for it. Well, we thought it was a 52.
I tried to make the dog disappear. Well, I just, I would really hope. I just really hope that that they sell well, because they were just such a beautiful variety of pieces. I'm really optimistic that they'll be great sellers.
All right, we got 550. Anybody? 550. Let's hear 570. Do I hear 575? Got 550. Let's hear 575. 575. Anybody? 575. 575 right here. Do I hear 5? Do I hear 600? 600. I hear 600 even. 600 even for the Glory Dog. The Glory Dog. This is not just a Glory Dog. This is the Glory Dog. 800. 800 once. 800 twice. Sold to the lady in blue for $800. That's wonderful. 800.
Okay, Gene, we're set. Goodbye.